Hello, good morning students. Myself Kamal Sharma and welcome to Aryan Digital Classes. This video session is goes for class 12 and this is the topic about matrices or matrix. Is it clear? You have already watched so many videos about this chapter and this is a different video session about this exercise because before till that you have seen only the examples and some of the description about this exercise. Is it clear? Now we will discuss about the questions and we will discuss about the exercise also. So you have to consider with on blackboard and you have to focus on all the questions which I told you and which I will solve on blackboard also. Is it clear? So this session is very important for the students who are recently joined our video classes because it is starting also and it is the base of matrices. So you have to watch each and every video about this exercise, each and every video about this chapter, and you have to focus on all the concept which I told you. Is it clear? Now you already solved 3 questions about this exercise. Yes, you have seen already 3 questions about this exercise. Now we will solve question number 4, and if you join last video classes, I think you already solved this question because I told one of the example like that. I told you that the order of matrices is 6. I think 12 मैट्रिसेज के लिए मैंने एक क्वेश्चन बताया था कि ऑर्डर ऑफ आपको 12 बताया था और पॉसिबल पूछा था कि पॉसिबल मैट्रिसेज का फॉर्मेशन क्या होगा. हाउ मेनी वेज ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स 12 कैन बी फॉर्म. इज इट क्लियर? आई टोल्ड यू a question like that and now this question also like that. What are the possible order of matrix having 6 elements? Is it clear? टोटल एलिमेंट्स आपको दे रखे हैं 6 और टोटल एलिमेंट जो है वो किसको रेफर करते हैं? ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिसेज को रेफर करता है m into n को. इज इट क्लियर? तो आपने को दे रखा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एंड व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से दैट व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिसेज हैविंग 6 एलिमेंट. इट्स मीन टोटल एलिमेंट्स of matrix is equal to 6. Is it clear? Now what to do? It means m into n is equal to 6, right? Because total element of matrix is equal to 6 and we can say that order of matrix also 6 into 2, 2 into 3, 4 into 4, however which you given in question. We have to find about the possibilities, how many types of formation of matrices. Is it clear? So we have to find the factors of 6. How many factors of 6? We can say possible order to make matrix. Is it clear? 6 into 1. Is it clear? 1 into 6 reversible also. We can say 6 into 1 and 1 into 6. There are 2 ways to make a matrix whose total elements are 6. After that 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Rest of them is any other factor of 6? I don't think, because next is 3, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Only 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Only 4 factors of 6 and already used it. So total ways to make this matrix is 4. So the answer is 4 and the way of formation is 6 into 1, 1 into 6, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. This is the question number 4. If you want to take a screenshot, you can write now. If you want to note down, then pause the video or note down. Next question, question number 5. I will solve after 15 seconds. So you have only 15 seconds to note down. Yes, all of you are done. Next, question number 5. Let me check question number 5. And what is question number 5? Question number 5 says construct a 2 by 2 matrix H. A 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to A I J. एक आपका कोई मैट्रिक्स है A I J, ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स है आपका 2 इंटू 2 m इंटू n आपका क्या है 2 इंटू 2 है. इन विच एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन. इसके 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैं आप लोगों को सॉल्व करवा देता हूँ स्टेप बाय स्टेप. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका A I J, ये आपकी जनरल फॉर्म है मैट्रिक्स. इज इट क्लियर? आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू डिस्क्रिप्शन दैट इट इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ मैट्रिसेस एंड जनरल फॉर्म A I J इज इक्वल टू 2i minus j upon 3i plus j. Is it clear? We will form this matrix by using this formula. This is the general formula of matrix A. Possible matrix आपकी क्या हो सकती है? Left 2 by 2 है तो A 1 1 A 1 2 A 2 1 A 2 into total elements 2 into 2 4 1 2 3 4 elements are given. This is R1 row 1 row 2 column 1 and column 2. So 1 2 3 4 4 elements are in matrix A. Is it clear? Now we will form when we will found A11. Is it clear? Means A11 means I is equal to 1 and J is equal to also 1. So put in this the value of I and J. 2 into 1 minus J also 1 upon 3 into 1 plus J also 1. Then what is the result? 2 minus 1 1 upon 3 plus 1 4. The answer is 1 by 4. This is A11. Is it clear? After that we have to find A12. It means I is equal to 1 and J is equals to 2. Then we will put the value in this formula and 2 into 1 minus 2. Is it clear? Upon 3 into 1 plus 2. Right? 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0 and 3 plus 2 5 and 0.5 is equal to also, and the second element is 0. A12. We will find A21. It means I is equal to 2 and J is equal to 1. So when is I? 2 into 2 minus 1 upon 3 into 2 plus 1. It means 3 upon 7. And this is the third element of matrix. Is it clear? A final element A22 is equals to, put in this I is equal to 2 and J is equals to also 2. Then 2 into 2 minus 2, 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 2 2 upon 3 to the 6 6 plus 2 8. This means we can say 1 upon 4 also. Is it clear? Then our matrix is A11 1 upon 4 0 3 upon 7 and 1 by 2 by 2 matrices like this. And this is the question number 5 and part first. If you want to note down, you can note down. If you want to take a screenshot, just write now and do it fast. You have only 15 seconds. Yes, all of you had done. Next. The next part, question number 5th and part 2nd, A is equals to Aij. General form is same in all three questions, and the formula is Aij is equals to, in second, I plus 2j whole square upon 2i. Is it clear? 2i. Let's see. When A11 method is also same, you have to change only this formula, and A11 is equal to, this means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to also 1. 1 plus 2 upon 2 whole square. It means 3 whole square, 9 upon 2. It is A11. Is it clear? A12 is equal to, it means j is equal to 2. 1 plus 4 whole square upon 2 into 1, 2 also, 5 square 25 upon 2, like this. A21 is equals to, it means I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2 into 2, 2 to 4 whole square आपका हो गया कितना, 16 upon 4 is equal to 4. The third element is 4. Is it clear? Now A22, it means I is equal to 2 and j is equal to also 2. Then we will find the value of A22, 2 plus 4 whole square upon 2 into 2, and we can say that 2 plus 4, 6 whole square, square of 6, 36 upon 4, and 9 4 ja 36, and the result is 9 upon 2, 25 upon 2, 4 and 9. So our matrix is 9 upon 2, 25 upon 2, 4 and 9, and this is 2 by 2 matrix, and the answer is on blackboard. And this also very easy question about this exercise. If you want to note down, you can note down. If you want to screenshot, then write now. Go ahead done. Let me take third question of question number 5. The formation are same and the order of matrix also same, because A matrix are continuing. Third question and the third question say Aij is equal to 2i minus 3j. 2i minus 3j. I think you can do yourself this question, and some of the students who can't, I will tell you how to solve this question. The method will be same and the matrix will remain. Is it clear? Now we will solve A11. It means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to also 1. Then 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. It is the first element of your matrix. It's A11. Now we will find A12, and it means I is equal to 1. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2, j is equal to 2. This is the value representing j, and this value represent only I. Then 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Is it clear? Now A21, it means I is equal to 2. 2 into 2 minus j is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 plus 1. And final A22 is equal to I is equal to 2 and j is equal to also 2. Then 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2, and we can say 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. These are 4 elements of your matrix H, and we can write H minus 1, minus 4, 1 and minus 2, and this matrix order of 2 by 2, and this is the final answer for question number 5, part number 3. If you want to take a screenshot, you can write now. If you want to note down, just now. Do it fast. This is question number 5th, and question number 5th have 3 parts. I already solved on blackboard, and I hope you have understand properly and you can solve yourself also. So if you watch this video, after then you will solve yourself, and if you have any error you can match to the video and take a screenshot of all of the questions of this exercise, and after then you can match offline also. Is it clear? Next, question number 6. And what question number 6 say, construct a matrix A is equals to Aij. This is the general formation of question, and the order of matrix is 2 by 3. It means number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are 3. And the general form of Aij is equal to 1 upon 2 2i minus 3j. 2i minus 3j, सॉरी इन मॉड्यूलस, ये आपका मॉड्यूलस है. इट्स मीन जो भी वैल्यू आपकी यहाँ से निकलेगी वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगी, चाहे आपकी नेगेटिव वैल्यू आती है तो भी पॉजिटिव रहेगी, पॉजिटिव आती है तो भी पॉजिटिव रहेगी. इज इट क्लियर? वी विल मेक ए आउटलाइन अबाउट दिस मैट्रिक्स. लेट द मैट्रिक्स इज ए 2 rows, it means R1 and R2, R1 and R2, and column 3 C1, C2 and C, and the matrix is 2 by 3 order. Is it clear? Let we make a outline about this. A11, A12, A12, A21, A22, A23. The matrix like will be is there on matrix A. Is it clear? Now we have to solve. We know that if we find A11, it means I is equal to 1 and J is equal to also 1. So 1 by 2 modulus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus, this means minus 1. The value is minus 1 and the minus will change in plus 1. So A11 is equal to 1 upon 2. It means A12, 12 means 1 upon 2 into modulus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 is there. 1 upon 2 modulus 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4, and we will change in plus into 4, 2. A12 is equal to plus 2, and this is the second element of given matrix. After then we will find A13 and 13 like that. 1 upon 2, 2 into 1 minus 3 into 3. 1 upon 2 modulus 2 minus 9 minus 7, and the answer is 1 upon 2 into plus 7, because the modulus changes the symbol of minus and it converted into plus. So A13 is equal to 7 upon 2, and third element of this matrix. Is it clear? Now we have to find A21 is there, modulus 2 into 2, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1, and we can say 1 upon 4, 4 minus 3, and 1 upon 4 A21. The value of A21 is 1 upon 4, and it is the fourth element of given matrices. After then A2, which means I is equal to 2 and J is equal to also 2, the 2 to 2 minus 3 into 2, and we can say 1 upon 2, 4 minus 6, 1 upon 2 minus 2, and minus 2 change into plus 2, 2 by 2 cancel. So A22 is equal to 1, and the final element is A23, and we will solve like that, modulus 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3, and we can write here 4 minus 9, and 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5, and the modulus convert 1 upon 2 into plus 5, and the answer is 5/2. Is it clear? And this is the sixth element of given matrices. Is it clear? This is not a hard topic. It is very easy topic. Even I already told you that it is so simple topic. Is it clear? You have to focus once. After then you can find the answer yourself. Is it clear? Then what is the matrix? A is like that 1/2, 2, and third one is 7/2, fourth one is 1/4, fifth one is 1, and final is 5/2, and the order of matrix is 2/2. This is the final answer of क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. एंड आई डोंट थिंक आप लोगों को इस चीज़ के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम आई होगी. आप लोगों ने अच्छे से इस चीज़ को देखा होगा, अच्छे से इस चीज़ को क्लियर भी कर लिया होगा. बिकॉज ये आपका टफ टॉपिक नहीं है, बहुत ही इजी टॉपिक है. तो इफ यू वांट टू टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट यू कैन राइट नाउ. इफ यू वांट टू नोट डाउन जस्ट हैरी अप, डू इट फास्ट. Yes, all of you had done. Next. Let me take question number 7. And what question number 7 say? Question number 7 say if there is a matrix, let the matrix is A and the matrix A is A plus B, 2, 7, AB, minus 3, 4. Is it clear? And it is equal to matrix B, and the matrix B is, let the matrix B is 6, 2, 7, 8, 6, 2, 7, 8, and minus 3 and 4, like that. Is it clear? We have to find the value of A and B. We have to find only the value of A and B. Now, what to do? We know that in equal matrices, each and every corresponding elements are also equal. Is it clear? It means 2 equal to 2. We can clearly that 7 equal to 7, minus 3 equal to minus 3, 4 is equal to 4. It means you have only two verbally elements, A plus B is equal to 6 and AB is equal to. Is it clear? So we know that in equal matrix each and every corresponding elements are equal. Is it clear? And now what to do? We know that A plus B is equal to 6, and this is equation number 1. Right now AB is equal to 8, and this is equation number 2. You have to find the value of A. How can you find? It means you have the value of AB. We can make a whole square on both sides. Is it clear? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides of equation first. And what is the result? A plus B whole square is equal to 6 square. Is it clear? Now we will solve this type LHS and by using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right now we have you have to value a plus b is equal to 6 and ab is equal to, is it clear? Now what to do? You have the value of ab, is it clear? You have the value of ab and a plus b whole square will be remaining left side, so you can find the value of a and b also, is it clear? आप लोग चाहो तो इसके टर्म में कर लीजिए. मान लीजिए ये आपका हो जाएगा a plus b is equal to 6, तो a is equal to क्या आ गया 6 minus b, 6 minus, is it clear? आप लोग अब इससे b की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सारी टर्म्स b में आ जाएंगे. जब इसको होल स्क्वायर बोलोगे ab की वैल्यू आपके पास में 8 है, इज इट क्लियर? इसकी वैल्यू आप लोग फाइंड कर सकते हो. तो ये क्वेश्चन आप लोग खुद सोल्व करोगे. इतना मैंने बता दिया है, बाकी हिंट मैंने आप लोगों को इस क्वेश्चन के लिए दिया है. बाकी आप लोग खुद इसमें माइंड लगाइएगा हाउ टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. यू हैव 2 वेज टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. आपको 2 मेथड मिलते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करने. यहाँ से आपके 2 मेथड है इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करने. आप लोग कौन सा क्वेश्चन मेथड लगाते हो, इट्स यू अपॉन टू यू, बट you have to solve this question. I will tell you how to solve this question in next video session. Is it clear? I will tell you the final answer of this question and you can match how many students solve this question properly and how many students don't know how to solve this question. But right now this is the end of your video class. This video session closed for today and we will continue this video session in next day tomorrow. Till that, enjoy your life, do hard work for your study because it is 12th class and it is very very important step for you also because it decide your future also. So you have to focus on these questions and this exercise also, and you have to solve this question. And after then some of the questions are remaining. I think question number 8 and 9 also are there, so you have to attempt all the questions in exercise 3.1. and if you have any problem I will tell you on blackboard because I solve all the questions of this exercise in blackboard and all the examples also, so you have to solve that question. You have to attempt at least. Is it clear? Till that, thank you.